To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
Yeah. Something's wrong, something's wrong. You said hello, but you looked the other way. Something's wrong, something's wrong. Call me crazy, but I know that something's wrong. It can hurt when you know that something's wrong, and they always deny it. I hope that you can prove me wrong, and I hope I'm wrong with what I'm feeling, but my feelings are never wrong. My feelings are never wrong. Something's wrong, something's wrong. I start to hear your silence. Yeah. Something's wrong, something's wrong. You call me by my name when you always call me babe. Something's wrong, something's wrong. I'm worried now if I'm the guilty one.
Enjoy yourself today.
You me enjoy myself.
But you look so it's like there's a barrier or the between me and you. Like we've been on 5 dates, and me's not a person when me I try to tell us a boy, you have to come on me yard or, do certain things, but you still don't look like you want to open up. Why? You still don't get over certain things?
No, I'm just take it one step at a time.
With what? With me or with life?
With you, yes, and with life. Me have whole heap on my brain right now, like a lot going on.
You have a lot, but you lock me out.
And
And I think you sissy, you lock me out. You lock me out of one situation where, I don't know what to expect, even if you just go on, because me as a man, I don't tell you I like spend money, but, I've been, investing in you, but your mind I invest somewhere else. And for a man like me, want to really want just, let's see, X and him something, then I say, more you, but, let me through. What happened? Tell me what happened.
alright, just give me a little more time.
Time?
Please. When you behave like this, you have to understand. And I like, more you understand when I go through. You see my brain free up and I feel more comfortable to talk to you, me talk to you. But not rush me. If I rush me, you're not going to get nothing out of me. Just let me take my time, please.
You see, it's not saying me no why you take your time, but my biggest fear right now, I feel there, so, and things say me there a place where I might find real love or real, relationship type of thing, and then I eat me there for. That's all I say. I trust the process, but it's you I think about if you are going, be in the process, and when the process is going to start, because to me, process not start yet. You understand? So, I can have a word. Say,
Promise.
I think you're gone. Fifth word. Alright. So, again.
Me calling.
You sure? Right now, we go out and leave your phone. So, you're not a phone person. I know that. So, when you say I call, now I start fret.
Alright, you know, so you can come here anytime, because I always do here.
And that's the next thing I want to talk to you about. I feel say if you get back now back in the working world, I'm pressure because I know you're gonna say about me, everything about money. I tell this and that, but this I don't want to spend. But money if you have for yourself also. Maybe that's one part of the process where you need to build with me. You understand? And then we see what go on afterward. But Yeah. I realize not every hug you want to hug me up and, you know, I'm still there. I appreciate the fact, but as I said, when you're ready to hug up, me know, say, boy, maybe process start. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
No.
Not
Later.
even touch. Jesus. Alright, later.
Just let me know when I reach home.
Hey. Yeah, me make you know. Me make you know. Alright?
Alright.
Maybe when I see you back at your walk, go on.
Really?
Go on, man. Most want to make sure it's a reach to you, do that's all.
Alright, later.
Good evening, girl.
As what?
So, you can't come to you and say good evening again? I'm your friend.
Me and your what?
Friend.
Since when? Eh?
Girl.
Since you start take me ex-man.
Girl, you don't understand the situation.
Then, let me understand. Since me not understand, let me understand what really I want. What I want.
Girl. See from, me know say we have one code where we not really fit there with we. Man, the ex-man, you know what I mean? But
You can talk straight, you not talk straight, you not talk with sense.
alright, me know say me never did fit take your ex-man. But he is
You know say you never fit take me ex-man, but yet you still got
yeah,
take me ex-man.
me go break down why.
Alright, break it down.
You see, he's a nice person. And from me and him start talk, he make a big difference in my life.
Hey. Murder.
He
What
never
you say?
intentional feel like do it, but it happen.
It never intentional. On the day, on a living, and that never intentional.
It never intentional.
Sean, what you say right now? I be a fool in this show. Matter of fact, I be a shit. You're chat right now. That me I tell you. Because you know when we go through with that the boy did, and you still go behind me back go pick him up. And you tell me say you would never did one of my brother, you would never did one of my cousin, and you would never did my ex-man. And look at you, my best friend, my closest friend. My friend that me tell everything gone there with my ex-man. Sean, I just say me and your friend and we make a promise to each other. And you still go behind me back and there with the boy. And you tell me say, me and your friend, you come here and call me friend.
Yeah, me and your friend, but things happen and me come to apologize like.
You don't want it and left me on.
Did he just try to make things right?
No, nothing can work. You make a promise to me and you break a promise. And if you break a promise, the friendship done. Finish.
So you say me friendship
over.
done?
You understand? Looking at my eye. Me are going look at more. What in my mouth? No. Come out of me yard.
Alright, Marika. Alright. Sorry.
Pop it down. But I have to sleep You're bed, you know?
I deal it.
You sleep, but you're bed, you know?
Long time I don't see you now.
I'm
Get up,
sure,
man.
I'm tell you, brother, you know you go already. You know the little work them where you have to check in and check out. I will get a work up a Mandeville, you know?
Alive.
Yeah, man, get a work up a Mandeville, brother, and we just a father now, brother. Yo, me I tell
What, China, man?
Brother.
You see, turn over my place. I know some when they want to see for a little reason with it, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, you know, so I see a girl there.
Mm.
Somebody that look. Me get it.
Which girl that?
Sean, man. Things that serious right now.
Yo!
You get it.
Brother, long time.
Yo,
but.
I tell you, some feel happy, you know, you.
Happy feel, man.
Happy, you know.
man.
I tell you, I mean, I'm on the phone call 2.5 hours. I tell you, I drop me a job asleep a while ago too long with the panic call. I tell you, that's why I even move friends for you.
But yo, stand up on your foot because I wanna the conversation that me reach down. I said to myself, I have to talk to you.
Wait, so me I get piece of work of Mandeville too.
Hold on.
No, you have put in the work for me, you know.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Alright. So here I go now. You remember one girl you used to talk to?
Who that? Which girl that? Of Mandeville there?
No man, we don't have. Don't always say. Yeah, America.
I didn't even want to hear about that girl. Like, yo, they tell me about that girl, they just grieve me spirit. I tell us, yo, I don't know drink all a rum with me all about that girl to you. To just get me mad. Yo, to that girl that deal with me, yo.
Yeah, I mean, no man, but all this side story is like me and she a date for. Me and she go on about 5 dates already.
What's that, like?
Yeah, you know, we are talk reason.
You're not a date?
Yeah, man, we are reason. We don't reach to that point. Nothing going on yet, you know. But it's just that me as a friend now have to talk to you and make you know, say, you know, circumstances like that. You know what I mean?
That good still, man.
You sure say alright with it?
Yeah, man, that good for real, man. It's good. Cause me I say me get over her a long time and she deal with me wicked and them the thing that so would even look back on that. You see me?
Oh.
Yeah, but
Yeah, cause
me I feel me one still. Sean perfect.
Yeah, cause
She not perfect.
well,
America not perfect. She not worthy. But
me understand what you said because
you really talk.
Yeah, man, no, me just want to know so we good, you know.
No, we're good.
We good.
We're good.
You sure?
We're good.
I mean, no.
And me not coming like a batch. So now, we thing what we're good
yeah.
with it now go run back down. It's good 100%.
Yeah, man, cause it's a girl, you know, she Irish, you know what I mean, and how we get to even talk is not like say me I look at her when cause when you and she went there, you know, remember say, brother, you look for me, so brother.
No, man, no, I just listen what you say. I listen. No,
it's like you adapt me, I say, but you listen.
Yeah, me I listen.
Cause
so,
me never ever give a conversation or argument, even though I just you know just be you know the best nice person here in her life right now.
Like her in her day?
No, I never like her. I never look her way. Cause I remember saying, you know, when you say if you drop off certain stuff at the yard, me not drop off nothing at the yard. You know, me always stay out. You know what I mean? And when me have reason.
When me and her left, even you did that tell me such a mess up to you know?
Yeah, but that after me see her one day and we start talk to her and just, you know, how she reads with me and she went kind of calm down. You know, me kind of when I say, boy, alright, maybe me hear if something can go on and, you know, well, alright, to be honest, me not think we are date yet, like we settle in a relationship, but me I look forward to it. So me said to myself, me have to come tell you and...
Yeah, just look out here, 1 foot in, 1 foot out, not put in a 2 foot them. Me know why you turn over like me.
Alright.
Cause when he did mash me up, I whole of my transmission mash up in park off my car, mash up my heart, right off.
Alright. But I just want to know. See?
Yeah, man.
So big up yourself and respect. Yes, sir.
Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah.
Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in the crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned?
How long did I call you to tell us the season then done? Where your phone? Me I call you how long?
Sorry about that, baby. Come like say, when me that walk I come down here, like So me walk in some of my bush area, so like it signal chip in and chip out, so me never dey get a call.
Oh.
You know, me never see a call me and ignore me. You know, you're my love of my life,
Me
okay?
never, yeah, me know, me never say nothing. Right?
Well, me
Me
kinda
have
alright.
something to tell you.
Me have something to tell you too.
Oh,
But they
yeah.
always say ladies before gentlemen, so
You
I guess
remember what day when me did I sit down and talk to you and I told you, say, me have to go talk to people because I don't want no hide and seek relationship.
yeah, me understand what you say, babe, but for when I do hide and seek, which people you got to talk to?
I go to America.
See what?
You tell her, remember saying
Bowie.
with friend. Yeah, I'm like, if you don't make she feel like me betray her, like.
But what wrong if you what wrong? You never have to go tell her that. You take her man, so what?
No, it's not
Then
like.
her left.
Me, it's not like me take the girl, man, as like me do it purposely. And you know, say no purposely.
But you hear me have to say now. You don't know who I may link up to the two, not how long.
In America.
So make you have to say that, babe. Would I never do that? You know me don't talk and tell about that the girl there. So why would I really go link up with that? Would I be disrespectful?
Right.
Can't disrespect you. You're nice and you're cute. Me sorry, my name meet you before America.
Anyways, come on for that. Who you say talking?
A public man. See me boy the public.
What happened now? What happened?
You know, say I show me a little payment and he might tell me say, I'm America a data now. You shocked too?
So that's why she want me have a veranda so I choose she have man.
When the virgin tell me, I tell her say, every time say, yeah man.
You do feel away?
No, I'm not feeling away. Every time say, yeah man, I fear it daddy. Long time you forget
You sure
it.
say that to tell him?
He said, babe, that me tell him. The time say long, me not feel away about you. I feel away when me have you. Like, you know, so me don't want you feel like say, she dey on my mind.
And that me I wonder?
No, me don't want you think that. Are you dey on my mind, baby girl? You always on my mind.
I say you go on, no, me not
baby
like
girl.
like your style, no, babe.
So where you say that on you? You go walk and get you something them for you cook.
You do that? Or you go?
Me take a look walking, man.
Which
Are you saying now we thing in a hide and seek? So no walk brawling and make people then see me and you are walking.
Yeah, babe, me never say
Oh my God. Why I don't know why every minute you go down and market. Like the people they ever quarrel and I say, come by yourself, come by yourself, come by
I
yourself.
saw them stay at town
Why
too.
they ever
I say every time I go,
away.
yeah, when I go to Kingston, I saw them stay.
Babes, don't look back in. Babes, don't look back. Just keep and look straight down. Babe, me tell you if you don't look back, man, can you make it look like say a problem here?
I don't have no problem with nobody.
She don't know if you have me already, you know.
And?
But me no want to know no friendship or no have.
She done say it done.
Oh,
when
she
go,
say it done?
She said done and I come off her veranda.
Oh, well, we still don't want a problem, babe. We don't want you to
But
pick
me
no
nah
problem
look
with no woman. Remember
so
you
for
have
me look
me,
out
you know.
and me own a eye.
No, I your eye and of fear. Remember you have me and me lead in a bed at night time. She don't
So
have
what that
me
do be?
again.
Me a look out and me eye.
Come on, go try to catch him. Come on.
You don't want me to.
Hey babe, what you waiting for? Broke your heart 2 times before. Are you waiting for When you say you love, you love, you love.
Girl, I couldn't shit in a piece. Me bombard. Yeah.
Alright, go and go finish my way.
No, girl. You come already.
Alright, come on. Watch out. I want to go and just. You do the video?
Girl, tap in so you can't chat so. Where's you going now?
Why? I look, me can't look for your stills. Awa.
Boy, I can't stand ya.
Anytime I do that, me know.
Hey,
say
listen. My friend, you know me not keep them nothing at all. The tongue you can't hold it no longer.
Awa.
Imagine, me not understand what kind of shenanigans lifestyle I go on with you. It come like it's a movie me I watch. You know the drama movie there, the American drama movie there. No, tell me something now. Oh, you mean if you left the man and gone to the man friend? Why you left Puppy Dan
and gone to Puppy Dan friend. And then Puppy Dan friend there with you now, and then he left that the girl there. What can really go? So what na run? Is a circus na run? Eh? I say a plan for live a life. Eh?
I think of something constructive, yeah, come with
What
me
just-
about, yeah, come to me about foolishness. Puppy Dan move on and me move on to where I live your life. Me there with woman, there with him, there with who him want, there with. You understand? All that become your business.
No,
That's supposed to be
because
your business.
you know, because where you go there with a friend, girl. You could go pick somebody different.
Oh, so you don't know say Puppy Dan there with my best friend?
You know, say in the connect up in my brain, going but me there hear something like that, but it. Oh, the news they passed me. Girl, I hear that whole news they passed. No, listen, no, me I have a friend from a longer time.
Friend this me go pick up.
Listen to me, I say a while ago me stoop round there so and me cut one little piece in the bush right there so. You see, me ain't trust so if I did Puppy Dan me see I come me slung in the same way.
Jesus, girl.
Listen, you know, nothing wrong if you move on, you know. But girl, you can't just make your life I run like a circus. So through the woo!
You chat too much of that, so that happened to you.
So through the man, they with a friend. You're going on the back with the man friend.
I'm tell you the truth. Me and him not there. We just talk. We just talk like we not have sex, not at all. Like nothing like we just talk. We just take it one day at a time.
Whoa, everybody want detox. So you could have tricked me.
So
You
why
could have
feel
really
like
tricked me.
I trick you.
No, because first thing you say, he move on, you move on.
Exactly.
How me never hear say the man take a best friend. So that means say you dey carry some vengeance for the man. So you go there with the man friend.
No, me I'm not. As me say we attack, we not there yet. You not catch this.
Jesus. Hey, me not tell you lie, no, me your friend, you know. But me not tell you
But
lie.
so what wrong if me there with him friend? I don't
Why?
like saying brother.
You
Oh,
take
so
man
what
like
wrong?
how Bodo take nail.
I mean,
Me, girl, listen now. Me actually come like
friend.
me actually come like sisters girl. But me have to tell you the truth. Yeah, me must make come like a
Alright,
sister.
like
So
how me take man like how Bodo step nail. What you do? Not sell yourself from?
ain't nothing wrong with that girl.
Oh, so who take man more than
Free coochie or rape. You understand? Free coochie or rape. And any me give a free coochie. Me they go call the police and make them lock me up. So nothing wrong with sell.
Wait. Remember saying no, me and Puppy Dan did there for how much years, you know. I'm married with the left for married, you know. And I like say me did that jump from one man to the other, you know. I find out certain things about Puppy Dan make me break up with the relationship, you know. And him not even know say me they find out so much things. Him not know. He not even know the reason why I left him.
A tree here now you tell me so I go be bridesmaid.
Pinky, how me fi make you be bridesmaid and the man always a play around?
Alright.
How me fi make you be bridesmaid? Me go sit down in a relationship and me I get hurt all the time?
Alright, here we go on. Here we go on. Because if you sell me, I'm proud of it because you can't give.
What do your man a call
Listen,
now?
you can't give away free something, not rape. And me say any day me give away free something, me I call the police and make them call lock me up and dash for the key. Anyways, later me check your girl.
I remember if you wash your hand, can you just use right there, so blood of Jesus against you.
Later me check you.
Later goods.
Later, blood of Jesus against me. Thunder upon you. Thunder upon you, girl. Thunder. Get up now, get up, get up.
She gone.
So you move like a friend Friday so far.
God,
Hey, listen to me now. Hurry up and come go on. Hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Come back. Stop look like an idiot. Where money there?
My girl, you know them tell me say me fi come already. I'm done tell me not have no money, girl. What you want me do? You know me load you up, bad man. Everybody know what you are doing on the road.
Load up who?
No you.
Load up me?
What you know
Me
what you are
say,
doing?
load up who? Me not.
Where's the car? Yo, girl.
Drunk, me must book you again.
My people, man. You don't
Yeah,
can't
there,
cut them.
lad.
What on, man?
There, man.
You good?
I me a look boat. I me a look boat.
A good thing you remember that place, sir.
You me say me a come give you one check still, cause I have a look at one question I'm gonna want ask you. Yeah, cause I want to know if you get it.
Me get what?
So, I say still, you're American, you're not settle you right way, like, you're not serious.
Well, she not really give me no green light yet, but you know really but it's like she not really give me no red light neither.
So, in a connect.
Amber, we not mingle.
You're not find a Bluetooth device.
No, we not lock that way.
But you know, say,
It's a decent girl, man. You know,
true,
girl like them, they don't run in and just go and like say one, just say yo,
I know,
open up.
like, tell her true that.
You understand?
But you know, my opinion still, me no feel like if you talk to the girl.
What do you mean?
That's my opinion.
What make?
Me I catch back feelings fear. Me I tell you sir, I feel like more want her back.
Brother, you can't do this to me now, you know. Cause me forward and me show you the vibes. What if you want her back, brother? You not done and cut off everything, lock off. So, me no, bro. I think it's fear.
So what, that not right?
You can't fear, brother.
But me did have her first, you know?
Yeah, me know, but that means you
First come, first serve.
Yeah, but you do and no left. Brother, nobody do this to me, bro.
Me can't.
So what change your mind now? Want to your perfection. Eh? The shan. What is your everything?
Brother,
eh?
You see another walk past, it burn me heart. Yeah.
Brother, I don't know
I
what.
feel another thing, I know. I tell you the truth.
Brother, no, don't do this, brother. Because I say this is not sound good. I don't feel comfortable right now. You understand me? I say, because I don't want to know, say, you know, I can't really get to which part I want to forget because of you and your feelings. Hey, brother, hide the feelings, man, lock up it.
I don't kind of feelings. I cannot hide fear.
Me not hide for me. Mind open, I'm sure.
So why you going to look after your friend?
Girl, and no matter look after your friend, girl, it's just that, you know, situation arise and, you know, we talk. And I look at her like that. We buck up. Sometimes
like when I walk and buck up, sir?
No, not so. But yo, everything in life, brother, it happen if it happen. Yo, don't.
You get her number, don't.
Me have her, brother, reason
you
date.
You not delete it.
Brother, hear me I say, don't make a friendship because of
situation. If you not delete
you can't delete the number, I want it.
You don't get a green light. Me not think you go get a green light. Me think you go always get red. Stop.
My general, bless up yourself.
Yeah, man, bless up yourself. But me feel like if you cut the link still.
No, I do that, you know. So you have to just understand that I just saw you go then. You understand me? I say, I just saw you go. But big up yourself, because I have a lot to deal with. Because I'm supposed to get one date with her later on. So,
date?
Yeah, I'm supposed to go on a date later on. This a date I know might finalize everything. Say, she want me, yes or not. You understand me? I say, but, yo, brother, I mean, like you look for me, brother. Yo, don't look that way, brother.
Nah, you take can't go on a date with them, my girl. My girl, when you amount of money, you know?
Well, I fear it. You understand me? I say so.
The girl in a fit, brother. You know, in a fit.
All right. You see that? No, I can't do that. Look, come on. Yes, sir. Goodness. You put in nice sunlight. Sun has shine. I want to shine for you. I enjoy myself tonight. Well, today, you see me talk madness. It was really a good feeling for, you know, I first mean I talk so much today. Feel like you really, think about what I said earlier.
Yeah, I think about what you're saying.
You think about it? Yeah, man, because as I say, we take everything in stages, because we don't want to rush nothing and make you feel so uncomfortable, because, you see, when you come out of a broken relationship with feelings, thinking that the next person is just the next, really, if you pass on the button and just give one different kind of, negative vibe, it's best to take it the speed that we're going on. You understand?
That's true.
Yeah, as we really admire the company, the energy, the conversations, and I hope you do too.
Of course.
Yeah, but
Thanks for evening again.
I feel good. Say me hold your hand to walk in. You know how that feel? Even though you said no hug still yet, but I appreciate that. You know what I mean? We're taking
One
it.
step at a time.
Exactly.
Day by day.
Yeah, man. So I realize you never finish your food. You know, is it something with the food, the place, or I just want to know?
No, the food is nice. Like,
Food is nice. Voila. Okay.
10 out of 10, but
You're hungry?
I'm not hungry.
Maybe.
As I say, I have a lot for my brain. I just want to get rid of certain stuff.
I appreciate it, man. You know what I mean? And hopefully, as we say, you have a wonderful night's rest. I'm not call you and stress you out and, you know what I mean, make you feel.
Yeah.
But if you want to call me and talk to
Which
me,
you want me
I
call that,
need
that's
it.
why you
Oh my God, I need it. Like, woo! Hopefully. You know what I mean? But it's a nice place to live too, you know. Very fruitful yard, you know. I am, you know, like, I want to get some of these plants in my, because I have a place up by, I want to say no, not far from here, trying to get, you know, rent and so forth. And hopefully, you know, I talk to somebody and they might be interested in renting the place. So hopefully them want it and so forth. Cause,
I hope so
you know, I don't want nobody up, you know, like where those street business and so forth are, you know, like, I hope say, you know, I get somebody decent, maybe Christian. Whoa. How you say? Mosquito. Me just feel like me just go get touched a while ago, you know, like my heart just start rise. Boom, boom, boom. But yeah, as I say, I want, you know, one nice, maybe a female. Because I had a conversation today with somebody. Hopefully, tomorrow, maybe one next person. You know, or, you know, because sometimes they say they want it and they don't really want it.
They don't really want it,
and they're not serious. So until me see the money and me give them the key, then me say them, get it. You understand?
So.
Well, enjoy your evening, and I'm not going to keep you too long out here. Come on. See it? Mosquito. No, mosquito bite you. All right?
Yes.
So we'll talk then. Right? What?
High-five.
I get the high five. You take a five. Talk to you later. Yeah?
Okay, bye.
As usual, you know, some I always want to see you. Take your time and walk.
Bye.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll text you if I make you know me reach it.
Okay.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept?
What's up, beautiful?
What's up, beautiful? What's up, beautiful?
So make you look so.
Look how long me there say wait for you, I never know say I gotta come here call you.
Babe, because you know me is a hard working man. You know, when me doing a workplace, me can't pay attention to my phone. You know that. Me not supposed to tell you that.
When since this phone thing, me never use. You used to cause me call and me get you.
Yeah, babe, but me tell you, you see the manager, he never normally they don't work. But from other day, somebody did kind of lift up with something, so the manager kind of did it. Some of the time them. So me can't, if you did it some of the time, so me can't do it on the phone like that. So, like one time he normally call me, you get me, but he kind of dip on the block more often now, so sometimes I have to just simmer. I know how you feel like me, I do nothing, baby, you know.
Don't make me have to think
I
that
said,
way.
I left from work, you may come to baby, oh my God, don't think that.
Me just make you know.
Look how you're
Don't
beautiful.
make me think that way there.
Look how you're beautiful. Anytime I see some other girls on the road, that's something go.
Make sure
Lock me
say
in.
shut.
Me not see them.
Make sure.
Baby, me if you live like cartel and see them.
We already live like cartel and see them.
What, gentlemen? Me not like when I'm miserable, though. Stop miserable up yourself,
No,
man. Me
me
know
not-
say you see me and happy,
Me
you
not
know.
miserable, me just no want
You're just
to
concerned
think
about what
me no
what.
fear think. Right.
I mean, know what you thinking, baby.
How was the day?
Day was awesome.
Oh.
I know me see you.
Awesome, I'm not call you. Not like that.
So now I get to know me, I say, no, me see you. It was so joyful.
Well, my day is stressful, come could get you. But no, you're alright though. Puppy. Puppy Dan.
Babe, something.
You talk to Marika today?
Listen. Alright, babe, sorry. Look much time I go tell us if you stop talk about Marika. I don't like hearing name, it just irritate me. When me you get time to talk to her? When me you talk to her for?
Me just ask you a question.
But that's a stupid question, baby. You're not supposed to mention that.
I'm just curious. I'm just
You know, if you look
asking.
about the one day, me not like that.
Okay. I'm just
Anytime me
asking.
hear her name, it just make me get angry, man.
Don't get angry with me.
When I get angry upon you, baby, you just say something to me, you just show off my spirit. It make me happy and now me sad.
Oh, I could get a phone, but no people are calling.
Nice I service just chip in and my co-worker call me.
Okay.
General, me so link you, but me there talk to moms. Yeah, man, me carry come when me done.
Here come what?
No, man, I ain't phone charge and me did borrow and my name remember say me did move with this and I tell him so me carry come when me done.
Okay.
Come on, how
May
go
I
in,
ask
man?
if I
You
did
just,
eat? Yeah, come on.
yeah, me did consume something, but, you know,
Okay.
I refuse the dinner.
Mr. Public.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Hello, evening.
You good?
Yeah, me alright. You?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
You know, say respect to come out and say, you know.
Mm.
Cause honestly, me been a try to reach out to you. The number and me not get your none at all. So me so grateful I know say you get back to me and so comes me could have come meet her right or so.
You know, say the phone, you know, for some reason, them have eSIM. eSIM have an issue where it's like it pick up sometime and sometimes it pick up in a certain places. So I don't know if I driving by and come see some miss call, but it's because I don't know the number of them. I don't really ring them back right away, hoping that people will call back. But so
Okay, so
you want the place?
yes, I want the place.
So you willing
But
to take it for a period of time or what's the intention? I don't know what's the
yeah,
plan.
alright. So I want the place for a period of time.
Okay.
Yeah, so I want to know about like I want to do deposit.
Yeah, normally we do deposit, but I don't know. Is that a problem for you?
How much?
We do full deposit or you want to pay half or we can work on stuff because you see I'm not a person for kill nobody because we know everybody have it hard at times. My come up was kind of something different. I'm gonna say come up means say, like getting things acquired. You understand?
How much for the rent?
40,000 a month. I remember say you have to pay light, you have to pay water, and you have AC in the place. So it's very
Alright.
a comfortable place for you. And you have a gate key where you can go in and security, sometime pass through and check. So you can press a button and says security reach there. So yeah.
Sounds great. But honestly, me have one little problem.
That's the problem.
The deposit and all. I don't think me can pay no deposit right now, cause here I go on. The money when me have,
Mm-hmm.
maybe I have to use it and get some stuff put in my house.
Oh.
So,
I know what you said, man, because funny enough, not forgetting a certain business or so forth, but I see you a friend that I'm trying to get contact with. Her name is Mark. I know if you know her name there.
Yes, I'm my best friend.
Your best friend, yeah man, I'm a
She
friend.
come like a sister. We grew up together.
There you go, there you go. So you see me kind of we don't settle upon certain things with dating and so forth, But it's a girl who I look forward to, push certain steps in and not I'm sorry to take you off course of the business that we're dealing. But
No, man,
but you get the place. You understand? But just
Thank
think
you so
about
much.
it as like maybe if you see her, you can just say to her, say, public, maybe, just,
You know, say half business. You know, is a nice girl and like what you're talking about, me really see you're interested.
yeah, man, I'm
in her.
interested in her.
So, I don't know. You see my friend now.
Yeah,
You see one she see good in her.
yeah.
I go always go and fight.
All right, so as I say,
So,
strike a
it
deal
was
then.
good. Thank
I'm
you
going
so
to
much.
definitely give you the place. by tomorrow, I'll give you the key for the place and you can go in and do what you do. And so
Thank you, Mr.
give her a word for me
Bubbly.
if you can. You know
Yes,
what I mean?
I will.
And thank you.
I will
So,
give her 3 words.
my
Yes.
goodness, that sounds good. Thanks, all right?
All right.
So
Bye.
Yeah, you catch up.
Mama.
Where you come from?
Boy, you know what about that? Mr. Girl, me take back my chat.
Which one I chat? Cause well, you chat, you know.
Me take back your chat. What me did tell her, oh, you know, for there with your man friend. Your ex-man friend. Girl,
I thought you come back
This
for
one is-
again today. I don't know that the mood right now.
girl lock chat. And listen me, I say, girl, so this whole no fabulous. And just look fabulous. Splendid. Me say, girl, what a nice couple wanna be. Wanna nice see?
Where you turn from us, we?
Girl, me tell the police and people, no. What a nice couple wanna be.
You love people business so till they look bad. I
Girl,
want
me
your
not
business
lie.
not spoil.
I'm happy for you. But anyways, you can make a man fix it too like that. Alright.
And that you no man,
slow.
no man, me not like your style, you know. You love people business too much.
Me want the neighbor in here before me. Shh. Listen. What you plan to do now?
What you mean?
You man pressure your bone now. Pums. You man pressure your bone now. Pums. Say you want no pums or not. Man pressure your bone not at all.
No, you not pressure me about that. You just say you want me to move in and you want me to always the around him and you want me to go out and have fun and so forth. You not ask about sex. You just want to get to know me better and something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Me happy for you, girl. Me not tell you lie.
Thanks.
Or if I'm married.
No, me not hurry in that. You remember what happened with me and Puppy Dan? I want me to hurry going on next. Come on, Pinky. Come on.
So, you not get no money?
Pinky,
Eh?
what wrong with you?
Alright, left that alone. Girl, really and truly. You know, say, me never really been in a situation where me beg you favors, right? Beg you to do favors.
Mercy.
Beg you to do favors for me, right?
Right.
Like financials favor. You know, say, more left out of the house there. You know, see your house look and
Yeah, pop down and grass grew up over it and it look bad for a young girl like you did it. So.
Exactly. And the environment is just dirty. And be a bad energy just take me over this. So.
Be a what?
And be a bad energy. And this not look private if nobody come and people just in my business. So me don't know if I can help me with a little thing for move out. I don't know half of the money. Because here I go now. You see, look at dirty landlord. Come like say. No, come like say. You see the thief in landlord? Him want take out half of the money. Deposit half of the money. Tell me, what can really go so?
Nothing can go so, but your shop lock. You not make no money from your shop, you lock.
You know, say, God dreaming.
God dream you?
Yeah.
I lie. What you say?
God say, Pinky, full time now.
Feel
You lock up your shop. So me I listen to God now and me go stop doing things there. So me must say me a friend for a long time, you know. So me just come to ask for this one little favor.
Anyway.
Just lend me half of the money.
Alright, just
I'm good.
anyway. You know something not work. I'm gonna have you like that, but when me and Puppy Dandy circling, me did a save up some money. So me give her money because me can't go like me hard. Because you're my friend. And you can call for me. I don't want to be a bad friend.
What?
You understand? So,
What are friends for?
me help you, but not fail me. Because one friend fail me, and I can't afford for your next friend come fail me.
Hey, let me tell you something, you know. Don't compare me no friend. Don't compare me.
No, me not compare you, but me just want you understand where me I go with this.
Me understand.
But
go give back your money, man. No, you don't have to worry about that.
That's cool. You don't really have to give me back. You don't have to rush to give me it back, but you have to give me it back. You understand?
Oh, okay.
Just take a little time.
Okay.
But make sure you see you lock your shop for true.
Yeah, me go lock my shop.
I'm going to see
Watch. You know, no sense. Shop a lock, yeah.
No do that.
Later.
Yeah. Me wire it in your account.
Yeah.
I hope you change the prostitute style for true.
Where you come from?
So let me hear this coming up. So you ask me where I come from.
Where you come from this world?
Yo, you know easy. Where I go? What's where I come from, babe? What I'm there? Look for me. I talk to you. What I'm there?
No, do me not.
So you ask me where I come from.
Probably me that.
Where you think about? What? You know what? You're jealous, bad though.
You just know.
Well, me know a long time.
Why me feel like you do something? Me
No.
don't know, me just have that feeling.
Babe, why you would have feel like me I do something? What me could have done?
No, me just have that feeling there.
Babe, listen me I say. So before the argument I go bigger, please go in the kitchen, please, and get me the food, please and thanks.
I'll get it.
Look about it for me, baby, please.
Yeah, me go get you the food.
Puppy
Dan, me not trust you.
Me I look for you and tell you so me not trust you.
Me no mean in no bad way no babe. Me just I make you know so me no mean.
But when you go up on the road, you know, me not tell them the foolishness there, you know.
Hey.
But when me come back from work, you tell me say,
Me
it
no
look like
the
me look
phone.
suspicious.
Me no like
Just
the
get the
phone.
food for me,
Me
please.
no like your phone situation.
Me not go have a conversation. Just,
What you mean by?
me don't have you out the road already,
No,
so why you coming in with it
no.
again?
We are gonna have it, no.
What more you want me to tell you?
Me just not like your phone situation. It dey bother me.
So why you not understanding of that?
Me I try to understand.
You want to come down there and be security? And that you want to do?
Don't play with me.
No, me I tell you something and you tell me say you don't understand. Baby, listen, baby, listen. Me not like get angry crying. Me not like raise my voice, baby. To me love you, me would never want to hurt you.
Can I say something?
Anything you want to ask me.
You never could have ex.
You're mad. What you said to me? Babes, just go on for your food. You can't ask me a question there.
Yeah.
Me, they back with that. What, man? Yeah, no bother with me. Babes, just get the food.
I
Babes.
ask one last question again. Why every time I mention her, you're so ignorant? Like
Because me not like hear her name. Me not, hey, you see me the beat woman? Mother just box her down, you know, when me see her. I just some me I try to show you so me can't stand her. Me no want to see her. Me no want to hear about her. Right now y'all mention her name. Me don't even bother want no food. You bother want no food and no me. Me I tell you the truth. Me no want to hear about her. You never have somebody yet who just not like to hear about them. Me no like hear about my ex. Me and her will never debate and we'll never sex. You understand what I say? Just not bother with the bets.
I'm just curious. That's all.
You can just get the food for me now, please.
Babe, remember so we never get to see you. Babe,
You're public. Bro, you don't know what's to tell you the truth. Why? I don't even know how to start this from, brother. But I really and truly want to see you face to face. Because we do something in the idea where I'm not too pleased about it, brother. I want to apologize. You see me? Yeah, man. I want you to link me face to face, man. Alright, my father. Go on, my meds and I say out of foolishness to me do you. I tell you somebody have to call her face to face and apologize. Like, we could do this on phone general.
No, man.
A foolishness I bring up, man. I tell you the truth, man. Foolishness.
But alright, some not sure, but
It's my apology right now. I tell you something. Left Marika alone. You feel like a joke thing me depend? All along when me I talk from day, you ain't believe me, don't? What me say for do?
leave her alone.
Okay, don't make me talk again. You know?
Alright, yeah, man, I understand. See? Yeah,
Move.
So,
Move. What?
we can't move. Well, alright, so. But you're not fire.
Move.
You're not fire.
Move.
You're not fire.
Me say move.
Yeah, but me I say you're not fire.
You want me fire?
No, don't fire.
Move.
Don't fire. Respect.
Me say move.
Why am I not the thing? And not even want me call him. Seriously? Last time this me I try life when I get him and I call him back again.
Sorry about that.
You know, your gunshot them a while ago, you know, I'm belly weak, cause you...
Me hear them, you know. I tell you, say, babe, I'm really sorry. You want me to step out a while ago and I never sent him, but I'm a virgin shout me and tell me to link him ASAP. So I tell you, say, as I get the phone call, I just run out same time. I never get to tell you, say, me I move. So, sorry about that, babe. I don't remember to tell you about food. Auntie food, I know.
You know, so I'm really confused. Virgin call you. You say phone not work. No,
babe, I never say my phone not work. I tell you, say, when me there work. Sometimes signal drop.
Okay. So, me in the kitchen. I'm gone look about the food. Why
Say
you
look about
wait? Why you think it's so hard to say, B? Me I go to road to my friend out there, so me soon come back. Poppy Dan, make sure say, I know what me I think you are doing.
What you think, babe?
Make sure say, I know what me I think you are do.
Me no get it.
Make sure say, no Marika, you go.
What this man? Where you do, babes? Calm down. Where you do, babes? Not do that.
What you mean by say me not to do?
What you mean about Marika me gone to? Me say me gone to my virgin, so you tell me about Marika. You want me to show you? Let me show you proof. Let me show you proof. You see nothing? Look. What kind of call you see? You see nothing about Marika? Did they say my virgin name there?
No, I can't delete.
Baby, you know my password for my phone. So what you mean if me and Marika didn't have something you don't know already, babe, man? Why you ever be so insecure?
You're insecure. Because you're some type of way.
Marika can't take me from you. You lock down my heart. She can't get it back. You lock my heart and that's your key. Even me can't find it for pull it.
Okay, puppy daddy. Well, the food.
Me no want you to get confused, baby.
I'm not confused.
At that car when I come in at that you tell me say you're
I'm not
confused.
confused.
No girl
I'm
can't
confused
take
by
away
your
your man.
phone.
Confused about my phone, you know my password. You know my password, see it there. No girl tell your man, Marika can't take my friend, baby, you don't have me already.
The food.
What you say?
Me never get food because me season them. Remember saying me. So you have to go buy.
See then now I'm confused now. Can me forward you tell me say food in there. No, you tell me no babe say no, you don't cook.
So really why you come out and food?
Me not think me can go up on the road for your tonight. So me have to just bill.
Me I go Burger King.
So you can just go and come back.
Why
No
me?
will fresh and you know relax till you come back.
Why me can't go?
Babe, just come off the road already. I'm there on the road the whole day I work till so just do it for me, babe, please.
Okay then.
I'll be there, you know, fresh up myself and lie down till I come back after we eat a burger, you know, say we, you know, in my bedroom we play to football.
Don't bother with me.
You know, I have a square goal, because I don't miss it.
Me no say this.
How about that, babe?
Yeah.
Yo, General.
What, bro? Why pray, my daddy?
Brother.
I run, come here, walk, walk.
Run, come here, so it's good to be alive. I tell you, I must say that means say, you know, say, why don't know if I start a story to beef back?
It's good to be alive, because a long time I don't see my daddy, man. I pray.
You know, say one virgin just shoot off of me all ago.
No.
Like serious shoot off of me.
No. What you say? No, what you say, look well. I know grant if you not play a Call of Duty. I know game you talk about.
Yo, bro, I wish me not play a game and thing.
You talk pipe, you talk shoot.
Yeah,
shoot
real
off
deal.
of you.
Yes, like could I lose my
I
3 points.
man. You have to stop run joke. I'm gonna style that, brother. You where everybody love where you do how much things to people and help people are shoot off of you.
Brother.
Nah, man. Me not believe that, my friend.
You remember one brother named Puppy Dan?
Puppy Dan.
Yeah, man, one little youth who always roll with me.
I the one who always say, and Puppy Dan, you don't look a big belly like.
Yeah, man.
I'm always say, you get it.
Yeah, him say, man.
Yeah, man, remember you. Then you know you're a friend, my brother, man.
That me I tell you, bro, but guess what now? It happened that him have a woman when left. And the woman when left, me raised with the man and tell me, say, boy, I don't really say, boy, I'm there with the woman yet. But me and she really go on some little dates and sit, like, you know.
No.
6 dates.
No, we not go on look at date. I don't know a date. Which one of them?
We are date and we are go on date. So I 2 of them.
You never hear it's something where say, pum roll, all our wishes. Not tell me say you're going to make man take your life with that. Your one friend, brother.
But me I say, what? The man, yo, me raise with the man and the man tell me say, yo, everything good. Me can go ahead and do what me I do.
So hold on there. You shoot half of you if you shoot you just a scare. Which one of them?
Brother, I don't even know if I'm scared, but when he say run, me run. Brother, I put my foot in my hand. And when me say me go down the road, I have to me reach.
But you shot them, not sure?
Me hear them.
But you don't see them?
No, I'm not see them.
But you don't know if you go up in your ear?
Me don't know nothing about going.
You know say me don't feel say you just shoot off of you. Me feel say I'm scared like pam in your ear and you run and say the man shoot off of you. Because I know you're guilty of something.
No man, here the man shout me in the day, link me and tell me say me to stop talking to you, man. I think a joke me make. So hold on now, him man call me back in the afternoon and said to me, say, yo, just forward kind of want to apologize for what he said to me. And at that, as the man said,
you know see your life a run, make you feel like a joke man a run. I know you see the man, how much shot the man bust off of you?
A 2, you know?
2? And he give you 2 warning. Jesus Christ, youth. So what you going to do now? You going to talk to the woman see when you going to left him?
No, right now I defend myself right now. So I say, the thing that I give put on, you still have them? Because I don't want him to fall back, I don't have no protection. Our protection when things now, you know? And that me I say.
A woman is powerful, you know?
When matter powerful,
hold on. You have to defend yourself because the man raw for you. Are you going to defend yourself through the man right for you? Are you defend the woman? Which one of them? Talk to me.
Right now, I try to defend myself. I protect myself. I not defend nothing.
Where's the boy thing them when me have?
I need back the old one.
So what you want me to do? You just want to think them, what you want me to do?
Just drop off it.
You
can't
know,
drop off it?
You know, so the only reason why me I go drop off it is because I fear them.
No, that. Because I'm going to Mandeville and you me give them
so
lock off.
You don't want to go back up a girl level and just load this. Just load the woman, load the virgin. What you want to talk to me? You rurty. Like you're in a jungle tight where you rurty.
Yeah, I'm not even get through it, you know?
Jesus Christ. So come we go Mandeville, Galliville, man. Are you want to sit them?
Give me a thing them, because as I say, I want that.
I have to go line them up, because I don't have them for me, because I don't really
look at them. I don't have a point right now. So as I tell you, for just make sure so by morning, I have everything locked off.
Jesus
Christ. I have some business to start.
So where you going now?
I go back to my vehicle and head back home.
Just walk through the bush or just watch, because I know why man shoot off here again. As a man, just link me a man in early, I make you get them.
Alright, yo, respect you know. And thanks for reaching us.
But I get foot creep up, man.
I tell them, man,
Christ,
yo, but Ira, I say, just don't tell nobody nothing, you know. Keep this confidential between me and you.
Not tell nobody nothing.
Not tell nobody nothing.
Not pray about it.
No, you can pray about it, but not tell nobody nothing. Otherwise, hurt the people.
Me and mama make love and you say nothing.
No, yo, easy, man.
Me not make love to mama tonight, because I know one is sweet and I go say, right here.
Alright,
look at more here. Yeah.
But man, not tell nobody nothing, you know.
No, I'm not going to make love to mama tonight.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah. Something's wrong, something's wrong. You said hello, but you looked the other way. Something's wrong, something's wrong. Call me crazy, but I know that something's wrong. It can hurt when you know that something's wrong, and they always deny it. I hope that you can prove me wrong, and I hope I'm wrong with what I'm feeling, but my feelings are never wrong. My feelings are never wrong. Something's wrong, something's wrong. I start to hear your silence. Yeah, something's wrong, something's wrong. You call me by my name when you always call me babe. Something's wrong, something's wrong. I'm worried now if I'm the guilty one. Can't believe that now we're drifting apart, like the ocean leaves the sand and the clouds leave the sky. Now there's a bridge between you and I. Now there's a bridge between you and I. Something's wrong, something's wrong. Now your silence becomes deafening. Something's wrong, something's wrong. I'm now staring in the mirror. I know that I have done you nothing wrong, so I am looking at a stranger. I hope I'm wrong with what I'm feeling, but my feelings are never wrong. My gut feelings are never wrong. My feelings are never wrong.